Okay, this is 2024 question 2. Find all the angles between 0 and 360 inclusive which satisfies this equation. So first step, you recognize that there's sine square and cosine square, so you will have to reduce it to either one. Either you make the whole thing sine square or you make the whole thing cosine square. Okay, so using the identity, sine square y plus cosine square y equals to 1, I'm going to re-express this in terms of sine square. Okay, and then do a quick expansion. And then simplify. And then divide. Alright, and then from here, because we are going to solve, so we will have to take the square root, right? Because there's still a square there. And then when you square root a value, remember this in EMAF, if x squared is equals to, for example, 9, then x must be equals to plus minus square root 9, which is plus minus 3. So you need the plus minus sign there. So similarly, for trigo functions, there will be a plus minus sign over there. Okay, and then we will have to find the basic angle. So the basic angle alpha, and in this case it's a good thing because we don't really have to split them up because they are the same basic angle. You just find one. That with your calculator you should get like 16.291 degree. Okay, and then now because they are both plus and minus, so actually quite easy. It's all 4 quadrants. Because the positive ones will be in first and second quadrant, and then the negative ones will be in the third and fourth quadrant. So you basically have to take answers from all the 4 quadrants. So therefore y is 16.291, that is in the first quadrant. The number in the second quadrant here will be 180 minus 16.291, and then in the third quadrant will be here, which is 180 plus 16.291, and then in the last quadrant it will be here, which is 360 minus 16.291, and that that will give you the answer: 16.3, 163.7, 196.3, as well as 343.7 to 1 decimal place.